Hi, session 8 is the first session of the marketing mix. Here we will deal with product. What is a product? The importance of product, and we'll deal with product life cycles and what marketeers need to do when it comes to dealing with the cycle that the product is. For instance, is it in its introduction, growth, maturity stage, decline, and what marketing strategies and tactics should be followed. Here we'll focus on the pharmaceutical industry and more specifically to various pharmaceutical products in the healthcare sector. Also here we'll explore branding and the benefits of branding and the challenges of a branding strategy. Overall, a very interesting session because product is one of the most important parts of a marketeer's decision-making process.